This tutorial will guide you through fixing the Acrobat failed to load its core DLL error in Adobe Acrobat. This error can prevent you from opening the application, but with the steps outlined here, you can resolve the issue quickly and effectively. Repairing the installation can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. To do that, open the control panel on your computer, click on Programs, and then select Programs and Features. Find Adobe Acrobat in the list of installed programs, right-click on it, and select Repair. If repairing doesn't fix the problem, updating your system might be necessary. Keeping your operating system and software up to date can prevent compatibility issues. For Windows, go to the Settings, then go to Update and Security. Over here, click on Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. By following the steps outlined above, you should be able to resolve the Acrobat failed to load its core DLL error and get Adobe Acrobat running smoothly again. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Adobe support for further assistance. Remember to keep your software updated and regularly troubleshoot any potential conflicts with other applications. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!